Hello, my name is Mike Martin. I'm the General Manager of Marketing at Casio, and I'm here today to show you the Privia Pro PX-5S. The Privia Pro PX-5S is a new breed of stage piano that combines an arsenal of fully editable sounds, massive MIDI controller capabilities, and an incredible 88-note scaled hammer action keyboard, which drives the incredible Privia grand piano sounds. The operation of the PX-5S is centered around 100 completely configurable stage settings. The stage setting allows you to configure up to 4 zones at once, using the internal sounds of the PX-5S or other MIDI devices. The stage setting also determines the function of the sliders, knobs, wheels, and pedals on the PX-5S, providing incredible control over your sounds. In addition to Privia's acclaimed grand piano sounds, the PX-5S features all new vintage electric pianos. Here's an example of a Tyne electric piano with a classic tremolo effect. This example has a phaser effect. The PX-5S also features classic reed electric pianos. And using the DSP effects on the PX-5S, you have choices of different speaker and amplifier combinations. In addition to the insert effects, the PX-5S features system chorus, delay, and reverb, allowing you to quickly and easily contour your sound on the fly. Continuing in the vintage category, the PX-5S has classic clav sounds, complete with wah-wah effects. These could be controlled by an ordinary sustain pedal and combined with the speaker and amplifier simulators for an incredibly authentic experience. In addition to the vintage sounds, the PX-5S features a variety of modern sounds, like this electric piano. And with the multiple zones on the PX-5S, you can easily combine sounds together. The PX-5S even includes organ sounds, complete with rotary speaker effect, and some with drawbar control. PX-5S even includes other gig-ready sounds, such as brass sections. The PX-5S even features Hex Layer sounds. Derived from our award-winning XW series synthesizers, a Hex Layer sound allows you to combine up to 6 components in one single sound. And the real-time control on the PX-5S allows you to manipulate each of those layers in real time. Adding to the sonic diversity of the PX-5S are 4 independent arpeggiators, one for each zone. Instead of using the arpeggiator, a zone also has access to the PX-5S's phrase sequencer. With 100 built-in patterns and room for 900 of your own, the possibilities are incredible. For loading and saving sounds, the PX-5S will accept an ordinary USB thumb drive, allowing you to add more sounds from the growing database of sounds online. And for capturing that moment of inspiration, the PX-5S will record stereo audio directly to disk. The PX-5S is also the first 88-note weighted action stage piano to take batteries, increasing the convenience and portability of this instrument. For managing all the power that the PX-5 has to offer, there's even a free downloadable data editor for Mac and PC platforms. Weighing only 24 pounds and having other amazing specs like 256 notes of polyphony, it's no wonder that the PX-5S has already been accepted by professional musicians worldwide. For more information on the Privia Pro PX-5S, visit CasioMusicGear.com or stay tuned to this YouTube channel.